Welcome back to Spy Garage.
With its innovative combination of cutting-edge design, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched luxury, the 2025 Mercedes Benz Armadillo Motorhome is a conceptual marvel that well deserves the nickname a Sci-Fi Suite on wheels. This fictitious invention would symbolize a futuristic vision of mobile living and mark a significant break from traditional motorhome aesthetics. The name Armadillo instantly conjures up an exterior design with a hardened, maybe segmented, and aerodynamically optimized shell. One would expect sleek, flowing lines that suggest a sense of protection and forward speed instead of the boxy forms of classic RVs. Innovative materials, perhaps lightweight composites or environmentally responsive panels, would probably be used on the exterior. Large, possibly adjustable, panoramic windows would provide wide views while preserving privacy and security, and integrated, flush-mounted lighting arrays would add to its sci-fi attractiveness. The car's attitude would be strong but elegant, suggesting cutting-edge all-terrain capabilities without compromising Mercedes-Benz renowned style. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo Motorhome would immerse its occupants in a genuinely futuristic living environment. Reminiscent of high-tech residential building, the interior design would place a premium on functionality, minimalism, and technological integration. Dynamic lighting systems would adjust to the time of day or the mood of the occupants, while smart glass technologies would enable instantaneous changes from clear to opaque. The best materials would be used, maybe including self-cleaning and renewable surfaces in addition to comfortable, ergonomic furniture. Reconfigurable living zones that could be used as a dining room, a lounge, or an office at the push of a button would be part of the extremely modular and flexible concept. The Sci-Fi Suite element would encompass all aspects of technology. All onboard operations, including navigation, security, entertainment, and climate control, would be managed by a very user-friendly, voice-activated artificial intelligence system. Integrated augmented reality screens could take the role of conventional windows or offer interactive experiences and real-time environmental data. There will be constant connectivity, guaranteeing a flawless online experience even in far-flung places. Energy-efficient appliances and sophisticated air and water filtration systems would help create a mobile habitat that is both self-sufficient and environmentally sensitive. The Armadillo Motorhome's cutting-edge look belies its sturdy Mercedes-Benz chassis, which is probably equipped with a cutting-edge electric or hydrogen fuel cell drivetrain for quiet, emission-free transportation. Advanced autonomous driving capabilities would lessen driver weariness on lengthy trips, while a sophisticated adaptive suspension system would guarantee an incredibly smooth ride on any terrain. The term armadillo also suggests a high level of resilience, possibly combining elements like improved structural integrity and cutting-edge surveillance technology for unmatched security. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo Motorhome will essentially redefine luxury leisure travel by providing an immersive, cutting-edge, and artistically groundbreaking living experience on wheels, going beyond simple comfort. It would push the limits of what a vehicle can be and appeal to a customer looking for more than just a motorhome. They would be looking for a personal, safe, and intelligent mobile retreat.